Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Mpesa, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, side hustling and passive income opportunities. Once in a while I will share with you videos about my travels to different parts of my beautiful country Kenya, as well as internationally. So if any of these topics sound interesting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, you want to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video you do not miss out. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 online business ideas that you can start this year and make money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world. So without much further ado, the number 1 online business idea that you can start this year is providing Instagram services. Basically what you will be doing, you will work with different businesses, different individuals to provide Instagram posts for them and posting on their Instagram handles. And if you're wondering, Eva, where am I even gonna start? So a good place to start is to use the different online tools such as canva.com, Krelo.com and the like to create and to schedule this Instagram posts. With websites such as canva.com, you not only are able to use the free paid version to create the Instagram posts, but to also schedule your posts, hence you're able to save time as a result. So what you want to do is to look for clients on different websites such as Fiverr.com, where you can list your Instagram services. Gig, you can use Twitter.com and just use a search handle. There's different people who are currently looking for people to work with them on Instagram. And once you have found a client, you simply come to canva.com, and under templates, you will be able to pick either an Instagram story or Instagram post. And then you come here, create the Instagram story, Instagram post, whatever it is. For example, let's say you're working with a cat business or a cat person. So let's try and create this post. Click on download. As an add-on to your Instagram services, you can also work with the different businesses, different individuals to help them to come up with Instagram captions. The number 2 online business idea that you can start this year is YouTube captioning services. So basically what you're going to be doing is to work with different YouTubers to help them to caption their videos. What I mean by caption is basically transcribing their videos from audio into written format. And what you want to do is to work with the different YouTubers to convert their video speech into text. And I know you're wondering, like, Eva, that is so much work. Well, I got you covered. Using an online tool, downsub.com, basically download subtitles directly from the video URL. Go to the YouTube URL of the video you want to caption, and then come to downsub.com, enter the video URL. Downsub encourages you to add subtitle.to/ just in front of the YouTube video URL, and then click on download. Once you have entered the URL of the video you want to download on downsub.com, it's gonna give you auto caption of the specific video. Pick what language you want. So for example, your client might have asked you to provide the caption in different languages, in English, Swahili, French, whatever language. The beauty with downsub.com is that it gives you both an SRT as well as a text version of the download. SRT basically means it gives you the video captions with the specific timestamps, and that's what you're gonna send to your client. Or alternatively, if your client has given you access to their YouTube studio, you're able to upload the SRT format of the video caption in the back end. Like in this case, I can click on the SRT version of this particular YouTube video, and you can see it gives me the specific words, including the timestamps, and even where there's music, we can see that here. Then number 3 online business idea that you can start this year and make money online is service drop shipping. So service drop shipping essentially entails fulfilling service orders without necessarily being the one who does those services. So for example, you can decide to provide any of the services already mentioned above. For example, you can decide to offer the YouTube captioning services. You can decide to provide article rewriting services. However, you don't have to be the one to do those services yourself. What you want to do, for example, is to list your particular service. So let's say you have decided to provide YouTube captioning services. You want to list the service on Fiverr.com or on Upwork.com, for example, or on your own individual website. And then once you get a client, you basically go and ask somebody else to do that service for you at a premium. Let's say, for example, you decide I'm going to offer article rewriting services and I'm going to charge $15 US for a 500-word article. So this is a service that I'm going to list on the Fiverr website. I'll simply come to Fiverr.com and list this gig of article rewriting, and then in case I get somebody that buys this order, I will go to a website such as Upwork.com or go back to Fiverr.com and ask somebody to provide the same service at a lower price, and I will benefit from the difference between what I charge and what I paid for that particular service. Okay, another online business idea that you can start this year as a beginner is providing Google ad services. And if you're wondering where do I start, Eva, Google itself provides free training on Google AdSense and Google ad services. Check this video up here where I document step by step how you can start up in providing Google ad services and how you can get trained free of charge by Google. Number 5 online business idea that you can start this year is start making money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world is a Pinterest virtual assistant. So Pinterest.com basically is an online social media platform where people pin different things. Yeah, as a Pinterest VA, you're gonna help different businesses, different individuals to run their Pinterest accounts. Come to a website such as canva.com, and with their free version you can create Pinterest pins free of charge for your different businesses. And in addition to creating the pins, you can also schedule the different pins, like for a whole month, create different pins for the particular individual or for the particular business, and then this will make your work really easier. And where do you find clients? Go to websites such as Fiverr.com, you can use Upwork.com, you can even start your own website. Bonus online business idea you can start this year in making money online in Kenya, in Africa, the rest of the world is Facebook business page management or Facebook group community management. With a lot of Facebook groups coming up every now and again, you can offer your services in terms of starting from setting up the different Facebook pages or the different Facebook groups, managing the online forums, and what your job would entail, for example, is helping as an admin to approve posts, just helping up with trolls, cleaning up the page, making sure that the page or the group is doing what it was intended to do. You can also help in terms of advertising, helping to find the different people to advertise on these Facebook pages, on the different Facebook groups. You can also work with different individuals to help schedule different posts, encourage the group members to communicate, to interact. You can also help in posting as an admin in the group. So there's lots of ways you can you can make money online providing your Facebook group or Facebook page management services. Well guys, that's it for today in terms of online business ideas that you can start today as a beginner with no skills, no investments, no money needed. and make money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next video. Bye-bye.